Welcome to Earn with Picsart. If you've just signed up, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Submit your first post, track your earnings, and request your payout. The first thing you'll see is the campaigns page. This is where you'll find all of the live campaigns you can participate in. Let's open one that's currently available. Create the funniest cat story with AI. Every campaign comes with a detailed brief explaining exactly what you need to create. You'll find information like the campaign objective, creative direction, submission requirements, and examples for inspiration. Take a few minutes to read through the brief before you start creating. Following the campaign requirements is really important because submissions that don't meet the guidelines may be automatically rejected. You can also check out the campaign leaderboard to see who's performing the best. It's a great way to stay motivated and see how other creators are doing. Next, let's head over to the dashboard. This is your personal overview. Here you can track your total earnings, your views, your campaign performance, and the top 10 creators from the past month. As you can see, our top creator earned more than $12,000 in a single month, which shows what's possible when you consistently create great content. Before your submissions can appear here, you'll first need to participate in a campaign. Before submitting your first campaign, make sure you've connected the social platforms you'll be using. You can connect TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X. Once your accounts are connected, you're ready to join your first campaign. Open any campaign you'd like to participate in. When your video is posted on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, return to Earn with Picsart, copy and paste your post link, add a short description of your submission, and click Submit. After submitting, head over to the Submitted Posts section, where you can track the status of all your content. Your submission will appear as either under review, approved, or rejected, so you'll always know exactly where it is in the review process. Don't forget to check the announcements section regularly. This is where we'll share new campaign launches, bonus reward opportunities, creator tips, product updates, and answers to common questions. It's the best place to stay up to date with everything happening in Earn with Picsart. When you're ready to cash out, head over to the withdrawal section. Here, you'll be able to track your available balance and request a payout. If you ever have a question, visit the Contact Us section for answers to frequently asked questions. If you're experiencing an issue with your submission or your payout, simply fill out the support form, and our team will be happy to help. And that's it. You're now ready to start creating and earning with Picsart.